Hi. One instructional resource that I chose was TED Ed, and I chose TED Ed because I really enjoy TED Talks, but I hadn't heard of TED Ed for educational purposes, so I went in and started exploring it. It does have a number of lessons that you can use for your classes, and probably has thousands of lessons you can use. And you can actually customize those lessons, which is not just watching videos, but you can also customize those. It's probably tailored towards higher education through high school, but you can search out for different topics. You can modify it if you want, then you publish it, and you can even track progress of your student lessons. So here you can look for individual lessons or series, or even start Earth School, which could be done in a class, or as additional STEM learning for specific students. So the lessons, if we go in there, you can see just a number of topics. And really, you can search through those, but you can also just do a search to use the search tool to select a topic and go down and look. Science of smog, the science of spice, all different things. I've been watching a lot of debates, so you can kind of look through different debate topics, and really anything that you can think of, you can search there, and you can look at different series that you can assign a whole series of lesson to someone. Math in real life. Here's 157 videos under that topic, so of course you'd want to pare that down. I found the Earth School. I actually went through that and found that very engaging. So it's a quest to complete a series in 30 days, and if the student completes this, then they get a certificate mailed. So there's a variety of different topics regarding the Earth, and also quizzes at the end or assessments about them. So, and if you scroll down, you can see those different topics around Earth, which all sound very interesting. And so you can assign those, modify them if you want, or assign the whole series, and create a lesson yourself, and create your own video-based lesson. You can manage the lessons to track the student progress, and just a lot of tools that teachers can use to progress their students through kind of canned talks that are already prepared and well vetted. So I found it very interesting. The ISTE standards that I thought would apply are 1A, ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. And maybe again, 3D, support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the needs of students.